Hello friend, this is Rajesh
This is Ankeswar.
and now we are going to discuss a project on Smart Office throughout this entire video which is developed by us. So first of all, let me give you a brief introduction about this project. The Smart Office is a web application that enables people to work better, faster, and of course smarter. Purpose system helps employees to perform tasks better and faster, so they have enough time to focus on growing business. This project has two major modules, admin and employee, which we'll explain later in details. Now, the technology used to develop these projects are Visual Studio 2010, which is an IDE, ASP.NET with C#, SQL Server 2008 for data storage, and little bit of Bootstrap for designing the web page. Now, talking about the project module. As I said before, project has two major modules, admin and employee. Admin is a person who run and manage the system, and the person who comes under this category is manager, HR, and etc. And the second one is an employee module. In this module, all employee has unique username, and after logging to the system, they can view the assigned task to them and also make some request or complaint towards their department head.
Now we will discuss about project functionalities. First, admin functionalities. These are the admin functionalities. Login, assign to new task to employee, accept and request employee task, view previously assigned task status, update previously assigned task, delete employee profile, then log out. Then we will discuss about employee functionalities. Login, register new employee account, can see assign task to him, response to assign task, make request, complaint towards department head, see approved request, then log out. Without wasting any time, we will see the live implementation of project. To show this implementation, first we will go to register page. This is a login page. Just click on register. It will show the registration form. Just fill the following entries. First username, then password, then email, then profile as like a developer or tester, then mobile number, then click on register button.
It will automatically
Then
redirect to you the login page.
we will log in as a user. Just click on login button. It will show the following bar: request, approved request, and my approval. Just see the request. To see the request, we will give the username, employee name, and put your request. It will send to admin as a request. just send request.
Now to see the request generated by the user, admin have to log in to the system. For that, admin have to put his name here as admin, login. To see new request coming towards him, he have to click on new request button and enter his name here and search for new request coming towards him. So here Rakesh requested him to leave tomorrow. For that, he need to respond like he is accepting his request and responded to his request. And to see the response towards the request, user has to again log into the system.
Then user go to login as a user. It will show the approval of request.
For that approval request, he has to click on the approve request button here, which is transfer him to the approved request page. And to see the approved request, he has to put his name here and search for the approval of request. And Mr. Rajesh is responded to his request and his request got accepted here. So this is the request process in our project. And now let's come to assigning tasks by admin towards employee. For that, admin have to log into the system.
As an admin. Then admin can assign their task. Just log in as admin. Here, go to assign task button. Just enter the employee name and here as an admin. Here we will assign a task to user. Here we will fill the date of assigned task. Assign.
To see the assigned task towards the employee has to again log into his system. For that, he has to put his username here as
Then
user
password.
and new assigned task.
It will
Employee has to put his name here and search for the assigned new task. So this is the task that is got assigned towards to him, and now he had to respond to his task, accepted and working on it. And to see the employee's response, admin have to again log into the system.
then admin will see the employee response. Just go to assign task. Then task status
And put the employee name here
we
and
will username. then search.
So
You
user
can
had
see
a
the status of employee.
So this is all what my project about, to assigning tasks towards employee and request towards admin. This project helps all offices to communicate better between employee and admins. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.